Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are fine. This is Jitendra Rathore. I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I come with very special lecture. Today I am going to make all of you understand the verse number 31 to 45 of chapter number 1 with a realistic example. And I am trying to morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempt to commit suicide on the basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So let's get into verse number 31st to 45. न चेय श्रोय न पश्यामि हत्वा सजने माहव न कांजे विजय कृष्ण च राज्य सुखानि च. Here this is the great sorrow which got by Arjuna. माधव मुझे यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है. अगर मैं जीता तो भी हारा, मैं हारा तो भी हारा. मैं क्या करूँ? माधव, I am not able to see anything, any good fortune thing in this particular warfare. If I fight this war, then what will I gain? I am not able to gain anything. Na? What will I gain? Here Arjuna, I don't see how good can come for killing my own kinsmen in this battle. मैं अपने स्वजनों को मार के मुझे मतलब क्या उसमें मुझे लाभ प्राप्त होगा, क्या मुझे मिलेगा? ये अर्जुना स्टेटेड. Why would I fight against my beloved people, my relatives? This is the question. अपने परिवार से क्यों लड़ना है, क्यों करना है? क्योंकि वो लोग अधर्म की राह पे चल रहे हैं, इसलिए वी हैव टू किल दैट पर्टिकुलर पीपल. दिस इज स्टेटेड बाय लॉर्ड कृष्णा. वो लोग मतलब अपना इतना दुष्कर्म किया है उन लोगों ने, मतलब एक कृष्णा डिवोटी को उन्होंने गालियां दे दी, एक मतलब ऐसा अधर्म कर दिया उन्होंने कि इट्स नॉट रिवेंज, इट्स लाइक एवरी एक्शन हैज इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट रिएक्शन. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So we have to think about these all things. I don't see how any good can come from the killing my own kinsmen in this battle. Nor can I, my dear Krishna, and desire my subsequent victory and kingdom or happiness. मैं कैसे मतलब इस राज्य को भोग पाऊंगा अपने लोगों को मार के? ये तो मतलब ब्लड बात हो जाएगा ना, मेरे रिलेटिव, मेरे beloved people के खून से रंगा होगा ना. So how is this possible without knowing that one's self-interest is in a Vishnu or Krishna? Conditioned soul are attracted by the bodily relation. We have to understand what kind of our relation with Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We just have to understand. Without understanding this particular relation, we all are attracted with a bodily relation. हमारे जन्म के आधारित हम रिलेशन तय करते हैं. ओ मेरा, शी इज माई मदर, ही इज माई फादर, ही इज माई ब्रदर, शी इज माई सिस्टर एंड शी इज माई वाइफ, he is my husband. We are thinking like that. We are only keeping this kind of relation. We are only trying to see this kind of relation. This person is my brother-in-law, this person is my father-in-law, this person is my mother-in-law. We are only seeing bodily relation without knowing what kind of our relation with Lord Sri Hari, Lord Krishna, Vasudeva, Mukunda, Murari. We just have to understand what what kind of our relation with Lord Krishna, Murari Krishna. In such a blind conception of life, this is a blind conception of life, and they forgot even the cause of the material happiness, and Arjuna appears to have even forgetting the moral code of Kshatriya. We have to fight. If I am Kshatriya, then I have to fight. It's my duty to fight against all the irreligious practices and also protect. It's my duty to protect the society. If I am not able to protect the society, then I am not Kshatriya. Kshatriya is not on the basis of the caste, not on the basis of the birth. It's a basis of the valid behavior. It's about the protecting nature of yours. It's about your karma, how you are protecting of the society. This is called Kshatriya. कीनो राज्य ने गोविंद भोग जीव वृतन वा योसा में से कंका स्थिति नो राज्य भोग सुखानी च त इम व्यवस्थित युद्धे प्राण शक्ति तक्ता धनानी च आचार्य पितृ पुत्र स्तव ततेव पितामह मातृला सुसुर पौत्रे सयाल संबंधिस्तता इत्रान अंतुमिच्छामि तत्रोपि मधुसूदना अपि त्रैलोके राज्यस्य हेतु कि न मही कृते निहत्य धृतराष्ट्र का प्रीति स्याय जनार्दना. हे जनार्दन, हे केशव, हे मधुसूदन, हे जनार्दन, हे जगदीश, हे जगदीश्वर कृष्णा, ओ गोविंद. Of what avail of to us are the kingdom, happiness, or even life itself, when all those for whom we may desire them are now arrayed on this battlefield. O Madhusudana, when teachers, father, sons, grandfather, maternal uncle, father-in-law, grandson, brother, son, and other relatives are ready to give up their lives and property and are standing before me, why should I wish to kill them, even though they might otherwise kill me? मतलब वो मुझे मार दे या मैं उनको मार दूं, ऐसा क्यों है वासुदेव? O maintainer of all the living entity, I am not prepared to fight with them, even in exchange for the 3 worlds. अगर मुझे तीनों लोगों का राज्य मिल जाता है ना, तीनों लोगों का, तभी मैं I am not ready to fight against these all people. मैं क्या करूंगा? मेरे ग्रैंडफादर है, पितामह, भीष्म पितामह, गुरु द्रोणाचार्य है, अगर इन लोगों की मृत्यु करके मुझे राज्य भी मिल जाता है स्वर्ग जैसा, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? माधव, मधुसूदना, कृष्णा, I am not prepared to fight with them, even in the exchange for the 3 worlds, let alone this earth. And what pleasure will we derive from the killing the sons of Dhritarashtra? What kind of pleasure we will derive from the killing of the son of Dhritarashtra? Arjuna here addressed Lord Krishna as Govind, because Krishna is the object of the pleasure for the cows and senses. Krishna is the object of pleasure for cows and senses. That's why Lord Krishna is known as Govind, Janardana, Kesava, Madhava, Madhusudana, Mukunda, Murari. Hey Vasudev, Sri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, Hey Nath Narayan Vasudeva. By using this significant word, Arjuna indicates that Krishna should understand with the saintly Arjuna's senses, but Govind is not meant for satisfying our senses. If we try to satisfy the senses of Govind, however, then automatically our own senses are satisfied. If we try to satisfy Lord Krishna, then our own senses will definitely be satisfied. So we have to satisfy Lord Krishna. We have to understand our relation with Supreme Personality Godhead Lord Krishna. Otherwise, we will definitely incur the sin. पापमेव श्रेयद दस्माद त्रेतानि तायिन तस्मा नाहो वय हंतु धृतराष्ट्र न बांधवान स्वजन ही कथ हत्वा सुखिन श्याम माधवा. Yes, sin will overcome us if we slay our aggressors. Therefore, it is not proper for us to kill the son of Dhritarashtra and also our friends. And what should we gain? O Krishna, husband of goddess fortune, and how could we be happy by killing our own kinsmen? How could we be happy by killing some our own kinsmen? According to the Vedic injunction, there are 6 kind of aggressors. First aggressor is poison giver, जो हमको जहर दे देते हैं. One who set a fire to the house, जो घर में आग लगा देते या घर को आग में झंझोड़ देते हैं. Third one is one who attack with a deadly weapon, जो हमें मतलब घातक हथियार से हमारे ऊपर आतंक करते हैं, हमारे ऊपर अटैक करते हैं. Fourth one is one who plunder the riches, जो हमारी जो मतलब जो वेल्थ है उसको लूट लेते हैं. Fifth one is one who occupied another land, जो हमारी जमीन होती है, हमारी लैंड उसको ऑक्यूपाई कर लेते हैं इलीगली. एंड सिक्स वन इज वन हु किडनैप अ वाइफ, जो अपनी वाइफ को किडनैप कर लेते हैं. देयर आर 6 एग्रेसर्स which are mentioned in Vedic injunction. We have to fight against this all people. Such a killing of aggressors are quite befitting any ordinary person or ordinary man, but Arjuna was not ordinary person, and he was saintly by character, and therefore he wanted to deal with them in a saintness. And a responsible man in the administration of the state is required to be saintly. Responsible person in the administration, if the person who is in the administration, I would have to take a realistic example. The person who is in a devotional practice, that particular person is too good in administration, he is too good in anything. If he is the administrator, then he can think about each and every person in the society, not about the particular community, not about the particular caste. That particular person will not make people fight on the basis of the Hindu and Muslim. We are neither Hindu nor Muslim. We are only Sanatani. We are only Krishna devotee. We are only Vaishnavas. who will take care of each and every living entity, who will think about each and every living entity, who will definitely treat each and every living entity equally without making any kind of discrimination. So we just have to think about these all things. यद्यतेन पश्यन्ति लोभा प्रहत चेतसः कुलक्षण कृतः द्रोष मित्र देहो न च पातकम कथय गृह संभावी पापदस्य त्रिवृतुकम कलस्य कृत दोषम प्रश्यन्ति त्रि जनार्दन. Here Lord Krishna, here Arjuna addressed to Krishna as a Janardhan, Kesava, Madhava, Madhusudana. Oh Janardhan, although there is man's their heart overtaken by greed, so no fault in the killing one's family and quivering with the friends. Why should we, who can see the crime and destroying a family, engage in their act of the sins? Why should we have to engage in these things? I hope you all can understand. If you have any question, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Radhe Radhe.